Can you hear me, baby?
Yeah.
All right, that's great. How are you tonight, Dakwang?
Hi.
Okay, you're fine. Okay, so now, Dakwang, did you eat already?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what did you eat tonight? Okay, what did you eat tonight, baby?
Eat.
Okay,
Eat.
I
I'm done.
what did you eat? Huh?
Mm,
What done?
done.
What is that?
Mm. I'm done saying.
Oh, but you haven't say it tonight. We just started our class. And I just asked you the question one time and then you haven't answered me tonight. So you
Yes.
eat vegetable, fish,
Fish and rice.
and a rice. Okay, so now Dakwang, are you ready to start with our class?
Yeah.
I just I just drink water. Okay, the teacher is going to share the screen and please wait a few seconds.
Okay. Okay.
All right, can you see the screen already?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are going to have lesson 3 story. Talk about the story, then listen and read. Okay, so teacher is going to play an audio and let's try to check if the audio is working.
Track 58. C.
All right, I guess we can no longer listen to the audio because the audio is
Practice the
wrong.
questions and answers.
Okay, let's try to check it again.
Track 58. C. Track 59.
Page 34. B.
Track 57. Track 56.
Oh, it's all wrong. What I don't know what happened to this one, but let me message the company de Kwang, okay? Can you wait for me?
Okay.
Can you wait for me, de Kwang?
Okay.
Okay, so since we cannot hear the audio, let's just read it. Okay, so now, baby, can you please read this one?
Family, Mike, and Mike family are a restaurant. Push noodle upstairs. They are meat. Hmm. They look good.
All right, so how about this one?
What are they?
Who's noodles?
Teacher,
Yes, baby.
steak, what is that?
What?
Steak, what is that?
Chopstick? Okay, wait, let me search.
Hmm.
Okay, this is a chopstick.
Hmm.
Okay, do you know this one?
Huh?
Do you know this one?
Yes.
Okay, do you have a chopsticks?
Yes.
Okay, do you know how to use this? Do you know how to use chopsticks, Di Kwang?
Yeah.
All right, so that's great. Okay, so now, okay, read this one, baby.
What? Sandy. Say man. Hmm.
Your
Say
mine. They
where
good.
where is from?
All right.
What is where?
Huh?
They are chopstick.
Okay, how about this one, baby?
What?
Okay, how about this? Where's my fork?
What are they? They are chopstick.
All right, they are chopsticks. Okay, how about this one?
How do you use chopstick? Like this.
Okay, like this. Do you have a chopstick?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you use the chopsticks? Can you get a chopsticks and show the teacher how do you use it?
What?
Can you give an example to teacher? And how do you use the chopsticks? Like this? You're going to get?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you when you learned how to use chopsticks? How old are you, Daekwang, when you learned how to use chopsticks?
I'm done.
What?
Don't know.
Oh, you didn't know. So do you use chopstick to eat or what do you usually use? Spoon and fork or chopsticks?
Chopstick.
Oh, chopstick. How do you call in Vietnam? How do you call this one in Vietnam? How do you call chopsticks in Vietnam? Also chopsticks?
It's door.
Oh, I see. All right, so now can you please read? Oh, you're still getting the chopsticks, baby. All right. Okay. Okay. All right, so now can you read this one? This is fun. This is fun. Thanks, Mike. No problem. Okay, so now,
No.
yes. All right, so now, Daekwang, as you can see, we have here. Oh, we got your new textbook.
You
Yes, you got your new textbook. We are going to use your new textbook, okay?
Okay. Everybody.
This is your new textbook. So we are going to have exercise, welcome. We have your exercise A, listen, read, and say. Okay, let's try to check if all the audio is correct.
Page 2.
Page 2. Then let's have another one.
Page 7. D.
Okay, let's try to check it first, Big Kwang, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Page 12. B. Listen.
Okay, let's try to listen more.
Page 13. Page 13. Page 15.
All right.
D.
All right, so this will be your next textbook. They can everybody up student book. Okay, so now let's continue. So we got here the welcome, lesson, read, and say. So teacher is going to play the audio, and I want you to listen, okay?
Page 2.
Okay.
Welcome. A. Listen, read, and say. 1.
I'm a student. I'm doing my homework in my bedroom. My desk is next to my bed. My favorite subject is math. What's your favorite subject?
2.
It's 6:30 in the evening. I'm at home. I'm listening to music. We eat dinner at 7 o'clock. I'm hungry. I want spaghetti. When do you eat dinner?
3.
I'm excited. I'm playing my new video game in the living room. I like karate. I go to karate class on
Huh?
Mondays. When do you go to English class?
4.
Look, purple flowers. They smell good. My favorite color is purple. I'm wearing a purple shirt and a purple skirt. I'm wearing purple shoes too. What are you wearing?
Page 2. Welcome. A. Listen, read, and say. 1.
I'm a student. I'm doing my homework in my bedroom. My desk is next to my bed. My favorite subject is math. What's your favorite subject?
2.
It's 6:30 in the evening. I'm at home. I'm listening to music. We eat dinner at 7 o'clock. I'm hungry. I want spaghetti. When do you eat dinner?
3.
I'm excited. I'm playing my new video game in the living room. I like karate. I go to karate class on Mondays. When do you go to English class?
4.
Look, purple flowers. They smell good. My favorite color is purple. I'm wearing a purple shirt and a purple skirt. I'm wearing purple shoes too. What are you wearing?
Okay.
All right, so now, can you please read number 1? Okay, can you read number 1,
Number
maybe? Yes, baby. Number
I'm
1.
student. I'm doing a work in bedroom. My
Mhm.
desk is next to my bed. My favorite subject is math. What's your favorite subject?
Okay, how about you, Dekan? What's your favorite, Dekwang? What's your favorite subject? You have told me before that your favorite subject is math, right?
Yes,
What is 8 times 6?
it's a six.
Yes, 8 times 6. Eight times 6.
This it's a six.
Okay, what is 8 times 6?
It's
What?
48.
Okay, it's
It's
48. All right, so very good. Okay, how about Mike? Can you read about Mike on the number 2? Okay, what is that? Okay, can you read Mike?
nice. It's
Yes.
6. The cheat. It's evening.
What?
It's evening.
Okay.
I'm at home. I'm listening
Uh-huh.
to music. We
Mm-hmm.
eat dinner at 6 o'clock. I'm hungry. I want spaghetti. When do you eat dinner?
Okay, how about you, Dekwang? Do you like to eat spaghetti?
No.
No? Oh, I like spaghetti. Okay, how about Donnie? Can you read about Donnie?
I'm playing mm, new video game in the living room.
Mm-hmm.
I like karate. I go to karate class on Monday. When do
Okay.
you go to English class?
Mm-hmm. Okay, how about you, Dekwang? Do you play video games?
No, game.
Do you play
No,
video games?
no, no,
Oh, no. How about in the phone? Do you play games in your phone?
no.
Oh, so you do not play games on the phone?
But I playing game on the computer.
Oh, what kind of games do you play on the computer?
No,
What?
no.
What kind of game do you play on the computer? Do you play Roblox and Minecraft?
I'm playing Minecraft.
Oh, Minecraft. Okay, so now please read number 4 about Emma.
Emma, look, purple flower. They smell good. My favorite color is purple. I'm wearing a purple skirt and purple skirt,
Hmm?
shirt and a purple skirt. I'm wearing purple shoes too. What are you wearing?
Okay, so how about you, Dekwang? What are you wearing tonight? Okay, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing I'm wearing white. I'm
White
wearing
t-shirt? White
I'm,
shirt?
I'm wearing black.
Oh, I see. Okay, so now let's talk about exercise letter B. Oh, no, no, no. Here. Exercise letter C. Listen, ask, and answer. The teacher is going to play another audio. Then Let's practice about this one, okay?
Page 3.
Okay.
C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What's the date today?
It's January 1st.
What's? What is? It's. It is. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th. 11th. 12th. 13th. 14th. 15th. 16th. 17th. 18th. 19th. 20th. 21st. 22nd. 23rd. 24th. 25th. 26th. 27th. 28th. 29th. 30th. 31st.
Okay,
Page
so
3.
all right, so now what's the date today? Okay, Duy Quang, what's the date today, Duy Quang?
It's 36.
It's
36.
okay, 26. Okay, so now how many months in a year?
What?
How many months in a year?
But I'm not.
Months is these are the months. Okay, wait. These are the months, baby. The January, February. So those are the months. How
Is
many months
March.
in a year?
S 20. It's
Okay,
12.
how many? How many?
12.
Okay, 12 months. Can you tell me what are the 12 months? Okay, can you say January?
No. January, February, March, April, May,
Uh-huh.
June, July,
July.
August,
Mm-hmm.
September, October, November, December.
Mm-hmm. All right, so now, Daekwang, let's just continue this one in our next class. So for tonight, Daekwang, thank you so much. I hope you learned, you had fun, and you enjoyed during our
Bye,
class.
teacher.
Bye, Daekwang. See you again next time.